Hello everyone, welcome to PPS SPARK. I am Karku. This is our fifth app video. Today we are going to do something simple and fun. Today we are going to create one simple QR based attendance system using MIT App Inventor. If you are new to app development, don't worry, you can see our previous video for your better clarity and understanding. Shall we start?
Okay, let's go.
Now I am opening MIT App interface. You can see here. So before that, I'm going to create one Google Sheet for our attendance. So now I'm going to change here name for Google Sheet for our reference. So I am changing here like attendance. So now I'm going to enter the name, roll number. Here, based on our requirement, our name and our roll number based QR code we need to generate. After that, we scan using our application. So after that, our details will be automatically saved here. So now, date and time. You can see here date and time. Here we need to extension. We need to deploy the code. We need to develop this. We need to deploy this sheet. So that's why I'm using extension and then app script. Here we need to deploy to our Google Sheet. Now you can see here I am putting the tool. So I'm going to paste it here. So after that, click the deployment and then go to the manage deployment. Now we need to create a new deployment. Create new deployment, and then I am using here web app. If you want to add description, you can add here attendance. Whatever you want, you can easily add for description and then deploy. Now it has the authorized email ID. So we need to authorize here. Yeah, now I am going to click the authorize, and then after that I am going to log in with my email ID. So here you can change here also. Now I am going to click hello. So after that, after updating, you can see your deployment ID and then deployment URL. We need this URL. We need this web app URL. So now I am going to create the app. Now I am going to change the screen name. Instead of screen name, I am using here attendance. You can see. So after that, here I am going to add one image for proper alignment, proper user interface. Now I am going to take the horizontal vertical alignment here. Now I'm going to add height for 50 percentage with this fill parent. You can see here I'm going to add one image. If you want to update the image, you can add here. Now after that I'm going to add one vertical alignment. The height is 50 percentage. You can see here I'm changing right side properties 50 percentage with this fill parent. So height is 50 percentage. So you can see here I am using one label and then button. So after that, here we need to add one barcode scanner to scan our QR code. So you can see here sensor and then barcode scanner. Barcode scanner is an invisible. So whenever you are going to create barcode scanner application, you should create or you should remove this button. Use external scanner. You need to remove because you are going to add new camera, you are going to add new camera in your mobile phone, so that's why I am going to remove this option. So after that I am going to add one web page. You can see here web one. I am using one web one to show our attendance sheet. So here URL, you can see the right side corner URL. So here we need to copy this URL and then going to paste it here. So now we successfully created the user interface of our attendance sheet. Now I am going to black session. Here I am going to create one variable for empty list. Now I am going to create here variable because we need to store our attendance records. So that's why I'm going to create one variable. So here I'm creating one empty list. I'm creating one empty list because whenever you are going to scan your QR code, the details will automatically store in attendance sheet. You can see here. So now I'm going to create the attendance sheet batch session. So here, whenever you are going to click the button one, whenever you are going to click the button one at the time, the barcode scanner do scan. At the time, the barcode scanner do scan. So that's why I'm calling the barcode scanner do scan. After barcode scanner, after barcode scanning, what it's do? So here we are going to add the label here. We are going to set the label text. So I am going to set the label text. So before that I am going to add join. I am going to add join here. So here you can see now I am going to enter the URL, web URL. You can see this URL also put it here. So that's why I am going to take one empty string. Now I am going to paste it here. You can see. Now I am going to paste it here. I hope you guys you can see here. So after that I am going to add or I am going to duplicate this one. Now I am putting the question mark status. After that I am going to add extra string for get data. You can see here. Now I am going to add get data, get attendance data. You can see here get global data. So after that we need to call the web one. We need to call this web one. So you can see here web one. Here you can see the web one called web one dot get. So after that, after the barcode scanner will do the project, will do the process. After that, we need to go text. We need to when the web one got go text. So here I am using one label. I am going to set the label text for. Now I am going to add attendance is record successfully. You can see here attendance is record here. Just put the attendance is recorded. So after scanning or else after register your details, the message will show on attendance is recorded on our label. So that's why I'm using this web one got text. So after that I'm going to set the color. I'm going to set the background color for this one. Background color for label one. You can see here. Now I'm going to take the background color for label one. You can see the background color here. You can see the background color here. Now I am going to add the green color. Now we successfully created our attendance QR based attendance sheet. So after that we need to generate the QR code based on our condition. So in this case we can easily upload. You can easily download your QR code. Just enter the QR code generator in your web browser. You can see lot of option. So click the generator. You can see this first link. So whatever here you can text. You can select the plain text. You can select the plain text here. For example, just enter your name here. Enter your name and then enter your roll number. So whatever you want, you can change your roll number. Now I am going to add my name and then I am going to add my roll number. So just click save. You can see the QR code here. So after that you can download and you can use your project. So this is our QR based attendance system. Now, after that, once we completed our project, we need to download APK file. Before uploading our project, we should test our application. Is it working or it has any error? So in this case, now you can go to AI companion in connect option. So in this case, there are two testing tools are available. One is you can install from your Play Store, that is called MIT AI2 Companion. So another one is emulator. So now you can click the AI companion. So after that you need to download the application from your Play Store. After that you can scan this code and then you can test your application whether is it working or not.
I hope you guys really understood. If you have any doubt, ask us in comment section. I will clarify your doubt in upcoming videos. Don't forget to share our video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.